Hi everyone! Today I want to show you an extremely simple but also extremely delicious recipe. Hazelnut Praline. 1 part hazelnut and 1 part sugar. Toast the hazelnuts. Start melting sugar. It will reach an amber color. When the caramel is ready, remove it from the heat and mix it with hazelnuts. Lay the mixture on a silpat and let it cool down. When it's cooled down, you can start blending. First, it will become a powder. Then hazelnut will release its oil. And finally, it will become smooth as in here. When the praline is ready, you can keep it in an airtight container.